Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at IWA 2026 with Daniel at the Victrix booth. This is an Italian precision rifle company, and unfortunately everything is behind glass, but then again, it also looks like art, so I get it. And something tells me these are not inexpensive either. So the one right above my head here, the Lupus, kind of caught my eye. But Daniel, if our primarily American audience doesn't know who Victrix is, could you tell them about the company?
Yeah, sure. So welcome to the Victrix booth here at IWA this year. We are a company that's born 11 years ago. We were expert in machining, but in other, let's say, business. So then 11 years ago we started building these amazing bolt action rifles and precision rifles, of course. We make all in-house in Italy. We're trying to cover plenty of, let's say, competitions, and so also military. So from professional use to the sporting, in every kind. So F-class, PRS, ELR, so everything you have in mind with precision shooting.
Yeah. Unfortunately, where I live, we don't have very many long ranges, so I will never get to experience the Victrix experience. But you know what, Daniel, now that you've explained that, why don't you talk to us about, we've got the Lupus, the Lynx, and the Ardea, which are new this year, right? Yeah. Tell me about these rifles.
So this is a whole new line that we are presenting this year. We decided to have a collaboration with WOOX stocks. That I hope you know them.
Yes, yeah, we're aware of them. Yeah, great furniture.
Yeah. So we collaborate with them to have some different models in our catalog. So this is very different to what we used to do. So it's more hybrid style, so wood and aluminum. So starting from the Lupus, it's the more compact model that we choose to build. 16-inch barrel, 308 and also 6.5 and 22 LR. So same platform, of course. And we work with WOOX to have, let's say, perfect combination with all three models. But the central part is made by us. Okay, so on our standard, our materials, our control, our design. So we make it more Victrix style.
Okay, and then, yeah, tell me about that. Tell me about the features and what kind of results I can expect from this.
Yeah, so we assure, starting from the performance, we assure you that all our rifles, center fire, of course, has a precision of half MOA.
Half MOA?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And with the 22, it's also, we had also some really great results in sport competitions. So, starting from this, 16-inch barrel, our TriLax action, so standard from Victrix, stainless steel, action bolt, and also the barrel and the muzzle brake. Action and bolts are PVD coated, so we have the most amazing feelings when you use it, and also the highest characteristics.
Yeah, sure. So, PVD, physical vapor deposition, very high-end coating, yeah. Talk to me about the trigger, please.
We have our own triggers, so in this case you have a single-stage trigger with 400 grams trigger pull.
Yeah, that's like less than a pound, I think. That's very light.
Yeah. So it's a little bit adjustable, but we assure you that with the standard setting, it's great.
Yeah. So, and then let's move down to the Lynx. This looks similar, but what's different about this one?
Yeah, it's very similar, but it's more for PRS, let's say. So you have fully adjustable buttstock with wood and aluminum. So cheeky piece is adjustable, butt bed is adjustable. And you have also a little wood slider on the bottom. And a longer forend with ARCA rail and M-lock at the bottom, and of course M-lock on both sides.
Okay.
So it's more, of course, heavier than the Lupus, and is more for PRS shooting.
Same calibers, 6.5, 308.
Yes, 6.5, 308, and 22. This is the 22. But with a 26 inches barrel on center fire and 22 inches barrel on 22 LR.
What's the magazine pattern for the 308 versions?
It's our own magazines, so metal magazine, 10 rounds, double stack single feet on all models. and for the 22 is always our own magazine, but polymer 10 rounds, single stack, single feed.
And now finally the Ardea here at the bottom. What's different with this one?
Yeah, so this is only in 22 LR, so it's more for some kind of hunting. With this very simple design, let's say, you always have the M-locks on the bottom for the bipod, but very clean, very light design. So only in 22. So same features as the Lynx, but thin barrel. Here you have heavy barrel on the Lynx, and 22 inches.
Talk to me about pricing and availability. How much do these cost, and when do they come out?
They will come out, I think, in May or June this year. And in Euro, it's for the centerfire, it's between 4,000 and 5,000 usually. For the 22, a little bit less, I think. Yeah, 4, 3.5.
And if I get these in the U.S., I could probably assume it'll be cheaper because VAT is not included, right?
Yeah,
I'll go ahead and tell you that that's probably true. So yeah, that's not included. So you're going to maybe, depending on how much it costs them to import the guns, could save up to 20%. So in any event, Daniel, thank you so much for your time. These are beautiful rifles, as are a lot of the rifles that we're seeing here. Guys, stay tuned. We're going to bring you more from IWA 2026. Take care.